my name is Adam Berry, and today I'm going to take you through how to do a reverse crunch. Now this is a very effective exercise for the abs. It's also really good if you do experience lower back pain when you do abdominal work, and this kind of can really help stop that. So it's great, but it is bending yourself into very odd positions. Right, so what are we going to do? We are going to lay down like so, and you want to get your legs in the air into this position. Now, please be real careful. It does put a lot of pressure on the neck and on the head, and if you go back too far, if you're not very good at doing a backward roll, bent my toe, then it's going to be interesting for you. So just make sure that you're okay doing it first. I can do a backward roll, I promise. Ow, that really hurt my toe. And then you're going to come here like so. Now I like to make sure my hands are right down here as like a fulcrum, and also kind of like a counterbalance support for me, which is really useful. So get them glued to the floor, get them solid on the floor for you, and as you come up, you're going to lift your hips up like so. I can go quite a long way up, but you don't need to. You can just start here. You get your legs over like so, and then what we're going to do very slowly, very slowly, is lower our hips to the floor again until our pelvis is on the floor, and then lift up again, and as slow as you can, come down, and then up, and as slow as you can, come down like so. Now, I'll give you a little visualization to really help you with this exercise. Ow, my toe really hurts. And that is, I like to imagine that I have a pole going through my navel, right through my belly button, and I'm trying to lower myself down the angle of that pole. So when I'm in this position here, I imagine I've got a pole. I'm going to go over. I imagine I've got a pole going on this direction here, kind of like parallel to my legs, and I'm just lowering myself with that pole, like so. Now, if you're really fancy, you can take it into a leg raise as well, and then come up, down nice and slowly, and leg raise up. But you don't have to do that when you do this exercise. You just come down like so, down and down and down, and then come up again, and down. Now, it's quite a tough exercise, I'm not going to lie, but like I said, because of the way it works and you're coming up to come down, you're not extending your legs away, it takes a lot of pressure off the lower back, and that can be really useful for a lot of people. So use it, I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Peace, love, and protein. High vibes, positive vibe. Bye!